What's up, guys? Bowser's Reaction Pit. Hey, we're gonna revisit a band called Rebuild.
Rebuild. Triple D.
Triple D.
Like the batteries that you put in the big ass flashlights that you like.
That ain't what the hell I'm thinking.
Triple D.
Yeah.
DH. Yeah. J. I've seen J. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know if they go by that same system over there, so maybe we're okay to discuss that. Maybe they have no idea what we're talking about.
Boobs.
Yeah.
So these guys have been very, very supportive of our channel. So I feel I can only give it back and share other music by them. They're a fairly new band. They came out, I think they came out last year. This is their first single, their first video.
That'd be last
2 years ago.
in number only, maybe a year and a half or so ago,
Yeah.
because we're just now new into 2020, so not even a month into it.
So if you dig this and you haven't saw our other video of them, do it. Great bunch of guys.
That song kicked ass too.
Yes.
So we're only expecting good things, and we're about to find out what this sounds like.
And dude, whatever hell kind of drum kit that is, other bands need that drum kit.
What it is, it's the drummer. The guy's
Great sound.
The guy's good.
Great sound tech.
Yeah.
Whoever you guys got going with their sound engineer, top notch.
What would you call a playing style like that?
I don't know. You mentioned a couple bands before that this reminded you of.
Did I?
Yeah.
No. No.
And they agreed. They're like, oh, they're one of our big influences.
I don't remember that. All I can think now is that they sound like them. That they sound like themselves. It's a very They have a very distinct kind of a sound to it now, where when he sings, when he gets with the clean vocals, and you have the growl track like beneath it, it gives it a different, like, a dynamic to it where, I don't know, it's almost like that growl just keeps it rooted. It keeps the heaviness there, so it doesn't really take you out of it.
Yeah, it wasn't like a lot of bands. It's like the cleans come in and you're just like, oh,
And everything
it's a shock.
slows down and it changes. The tone of the guitar changes and everything, but this keeps you right in it. It keeps itself rooted in where it started from.
I'm
if that
still
makes any
not
sense.
the biggest fan of clean vocals and a heavy song, super heavy song, but I mean they do it tastefully. It's not overdone.
And let me just say, the guy does not have a wussy voice. He
No.
He doesn't sound whiny. He doesn't sound nasally like I do. He doesn't have a voice like that. He sounds like just like singing, regular, has a like soulful passion, but not weak.
Yeah, these
Not
guys are
weak.
doing it right. They're doing it good, and man, if these guys are good, and they're going places.
They're
man.
good. Yeah, are they good? Hey, last I checked, they're pretty good. I don't know. It gets hard when something's good and you don't have any criticisms. How many times can you really say that it's good? I mean, the drumming, it's that guy is on top of it.
His hair's still in his face. Did you notice that?
Well, I mean, you'll have that.
His hair's got to be pissing him off.
That's why he
The
was
last-
windmilling
the-
before.
The last video is the wind blowing in like all over his face, and now this video is like stuck to his face because he's all sweaty. Check it out.
The sky remains the same, like when we walk from yesterday. Then in this life we won't explain, like when we're born from yesterday.
He's in the S&M.
Recreations of false desire, food for God left behind. Life is a constant battle between the truth and lies, a vicious cycle that we cannot escape from.
What?
A vicious cycle that we cannot escape from.
Next time, my last breath, ready to die. I'm cursed, but then I finally found the light. Now I'm ready to die.
Not ready to die? It was hard to catch that. That's a cool little, yeah, that's a cool aspect.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you for I'm just gonna say thank you for ending it that way.
Yeah.
I'm glad it didn't end soft. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I really, really, really like you guys when you got the heavier stuff going. I mean, the soft stuff's good, but the heavy. You guys are so good at the heavy stuff. It's so good.
I like the contradiction because I've always sort of liked In Flames. I think that was it's like a touch of In Flames influence there. I don't
They're
know if
heavier
that's
than In Flames, though.
if In Flames and like the Absence were to have gotten together and had like a child or something, and mixed like that, you know, with the heavy and the harsh vocals, like that's just awesome.
Oh.
Having that tracked underneath like that over the top of when he's singing. Like I said, I really can't get over it. I disagree with you though because I like how he's singing that clean, and he doesn't sound whiny. I like the fact that he doesn't sound like he's whining. There's so many people that do.
Yeah, that's just the way I am. I always get a little disconnected with the softer vocals parts because then like the instruments and everything kind of comes down a little bit along with the vocals. I really dig that driving heavy,
like punch
that
in the guts.
that ending, that whole ending part, man. That was just like I could even see it in you. You're just like getting down to it.
You get you get into it. So I think basically, if you mash up what we're both saying, is that there's something in it for
Everybody,
just about
it's
everybody.
triggering like a lot of different. I think a lot of people would like that, and I sure hope the hell it gets views.
Just so people see that it's out there.
Let's get these guys big, man. They deserve it. That's good stuff. And you know what else would be cool? I'd wear the hell out of a Rebuild shirt.
I would love to see them in concert too somewhere if they ever come to the States.
Yeah, sorry, probably not going to be able to get to the Peens. Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, on top of a crippling fear of flight.
I would love to go.
Have you ever flown before?
Yeah, I've flown. I never
You've
flew.
never had a bad experience.
I don't
flying.
have a what do you call it? Not a visa, but
passport.
passport. I don't have a passport. I know you'd have to get that, and that's a long ass flight. But the wife would be interested in going too. So
I've only had one flight that I didn't have a bad experience on. Every other one I've had, there was always something.
Really?
I don't like flying.
Well, you could row a boat there.
I could gently down the stream. Fuck, how long would that take? Be at it for like a month. Disappear on the islands out there or something. I'd be lost. Be like Castaway.
All right. Awesome video.
Yeah, good.
Awesome
good
song.
stuff.
I can't wait till you guys come out with something new. I know you guys just came out with something recently, and we did that. Was it Relentlessly?
Yeah, we had to go back one album.
So,
But yeah, I got no problem with that.
all right, we're gonna go.
Thank you guys. Thanks everybody else for watching. Let them know what you thought of their song. Don't tell us because we already like it. So find them and hit them up.
But if you like us, hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, maybe you'll find something. If you didn't necessarily care for this song, we do a lot of different stuff. There's a lot of
All right,
something for everybody.
we're gonna go. See ya.